Thank you so much for joining. In this video, I will briefly show a miniature transformation. Within a 3 to 3.5 hour period, the client has 7 different modalities performed, and the results are outstanding. I have included the time and date stamp on the photos, which demonstrates how much weight was lost and how much her abdominal circumference was reduced. Both of us were amazed. The client does go to the gym about 6 times a week. This is body contouring, and she is having her stomach sculpted. In these photos, it shows subcutaneous fat and visceral fat. When it comes to non-invasive body contouring, only subcutaneous fat can be sculpted. Although this was an after-hours session, it can be seen that around 6:30 p.m., she weighed exactly 136.4 pounds. And her waist measurement prior to the session was approximately 31 inches. Please do note the time and date stamp on the lower right-hand corner. After comprehensive measurements and photos from 3 different devices, the first step in the session is laser lipolysis, which is for 30 minutes on its highest setting. Here is a brief overview of what it looks like and how it works. Immediately after laser lipolysis, which has heated the fat cells a certain degree, I mark the abdominal area and divide it into 4 quadrants. Upon doing so, I add an aqueous gel-like solution and ultrasound cavitation can be started. Each quadrant warrants about 10 to 15 minutes of ultrasound cavitation. Now, it is time for ultrasound or ultrasonic cavitation. Make sure to never keep it on one area for over 2 seconds, as it could damage underlying skin and tissues. Constantly move the handheld unit around. You can go in spirals, up and down, zigzag, or sweep back and forth. Over time, this tends to break up fat cells and globules. At this point, the client has had 2 modalities, and as it can be seen, having only conducted laser lipolysis and ultrasonic cavitation, it has yielded some visual improvements. Here's a quick before and after. Before is on the left. After laser lipolysis and ultrasonic cavitation, wood therapy is used. There are 4 pieces used, and this clip is from the 4th wood tool used. These 4 pieces help sculpt and mold and contour the body. Minor redness after wood therapy. Most clients are comfortably watching shows or are on social media while having their sessions. So by now, just over 3 hours have elapsed. Please do note the time and date stamp in the lower right-hand corner. The client has had laser lipolysis, ultrasonic cavitation, wood therapy, radiofrequency skin tightening, vacuum drainage, oscillation to lymph nodes, and full body vibration plate. Note that her new waist measurement is 29.5 inches and no longer 31 inches. And her weight was 136.4 pounds, and it is now 133.6 pounds. She passively lost 2.8 pounds within about 3 to 3.5 hours, and all she did was just lie down. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you may, feel free to share, comment, and subscribe.